What's up, you guys? This is Sohaib with Flow AI, where we build custom AI-powered workflows for you to smooth out the rough edges of your operations. And today I'm showing you guys how I built an automation to help me come up with ideas for creating content, and specifically video content. And so you could just imagine how this could apply in other ways. But the idea is that I have articles coming into this Google Sheet every single week. I have a list of articles, right? So this week I went from 300 to 341, so about 41 articles. And so instead of going through each one and deciding which one is a good article, what should I talk about, what's most important, I basically have AI read all those articles and come up with, some potential content to create from that, specifically video content. So the automation is built on Zapier, and the first thing that happens is that every week a new row is created that says new week. And then I would take the row number and I would get every spreadsheet row of that week. And so it would basically take all 41 of these and I would send it into ChatGPT. Not the most efficient way, but this is a very easy way to basically send the body of that article into ChatGPT. And I gave it a prompt that basically says, using a full analysis of the articles and given the current state of AI in business, please help me generate engaging content ideas for videos, 10 minutes longer, 10 minutes or longer. The aim of these videos is to build a comprehensive understanding of AI, blah, 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 right? So you give it a prompt of what it should do with all this content. And the idea was, give me a video idea. And I also have one for real ideas. And both those ideas will go into a Google spreadsheet row. So every week it's giving me ideas for that week, right? So you have March 11, March 18. It's been a while since I dug into this one. As far as June 10 of this year. So this was this week's idea for YouTube videos and reel. And so if you see, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ideas for a reel and for a video, a YouTube video. And so I look at this and I say, okay, video idea number 2 is pretty nice. I'll take that video idea and I'll go into another tab and I will put it right here, right? I'll paste the idea right here and I'll say that this is for a long form video. Just clean this up. And then in a little bit of time, a script should pop up for this video idea. And that's about it. The automation for making the reel into a script is a whole different one. But basically this sort of idea, you can create endless amount of tabs, right, of what to do with specific information, where you're getting information. Like, for example, if I come up with random ideas in my own head, instead of just using these articles that are popping up, I could potentially put my ideas as, like a heading, and then I could say cousins ideas, business thoughts, whatever the case may be. And based on what I put in here, we can have ChatGPT analyze it and output in a specific way. And the beauty of this is that this is all done automated, right? Obviously, you can just go into ChatGPT and type it yourself. But yeah, the idea is that things are more moving on their own and on a schedule, right? Something hard to keep up in this digital world where everyone is pulling you in what way. So this is just something that, if you are creating content regularly, if you're creating videos regularly, and you would like some fresh ideas, right, that you can toss around in your head or between your teams, this is a good way for you to sort of condense those thoughts in a specific direction and also compile all these random bits of information and synthesize them all kind of at once. So hope this was helpful, and yeah, see you next video.